Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your profile picture and avatar on Steam guys. Let's jump straight into it. Open the Steam and go to Friends tab over here. Click on Friends tab and go to edit profile name and avatar. Want to click on it and you can change name over here. You can save here and want to change the avatar. Go to avatar and you can change like this or create, you can change avatar frame and that's it. You can upload your avatar guys, your real picture also, and you can save it like this. That's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.